If you're international students, come to the front. Come to the front. Come to the front. In today's video, I want to tell you a hack that you are going to use to maximize the international student card privilege. In this video, I am talking about the ISIC card. This is our topic for today. I'm going to tell you about the ISIC card. And if you don't have the ISIC card and you're an international student, get what today? Get what today, not tomorrow, today. I learned about this, maybe I think a year too late. It has been 2 years since I learned about the benefits and the advantages that I can use this card. One, what is an ISIC card? An ISIC card is an international student identification card, and this card you're given when you are enrolled in a university. In the university that I am enrolled in, I put in the details on the ISIC website, and then they have to confirm the details. Then you have to take your pretty picture and then you pay. Without the transport in this country, in Lithuania, it is 12 euros, but with the transport, it is 13 euros. So your ISIC card is also like your transport card. If you have the ISIC card that has the transport tickets, also you can add transport into it. You'll use your card, and then every month you will always load the card with the amount of money that is needed for the month. And in Lithuania, I pay 5 euros and 60 cents for the whole month. I think that is the number one benefit of having an ISIC card as an international student. ISIC card is also recognized in 130 plus countries. So you getting it in the country that you're in is good, but you also get benefits in other countries, and you should utilize this. I utilize this ISIC card to the maximum. As long as I'm a student right now, I utilize it to the maximum. And I am encouraging you to utilize your ISIC card to the maximum. What are the benefits that you can get when you have an ISIC card? One, you can get discounts on travel, on accommodation, on food, on tech, if you want to like get a new laptop, on shopping, on cultural access, which is like museums, all these experiences. You can also get discounts when it comes to if you want to learn a new language, so on the language apps, on a mobile plan, even the gym. The benefits of this ISIC card is it's amazing. It is amazing. It is amazing. How have I benefited by having the ISIC card? Every time I am traveling, either if I want to use the Flixbus or I want to use any airline or train, I always check from the ISIC app. There is an app that you can check all the discounts. You can also check discounts in other countries. I will show you how the app works and how the app looks like. Don't worry about that. I got you. I have used it anytime that I am traveling. I actually like the discounts that Flixbus gives you. I have used the discount when I was traveling to Poland on the Flixbus. I have used it when I was traveling to Estonia, from Lithuania to Estonia. There was a discount on the Flixbus. I have also used it when traveling on trains. If you go from Kaunas to Vilnius or Vilnius to Kaunas or anywhere within Lithuania, you can always get a discount. Why do you want to pay full price? You're already an international student. You're using your money for other things. Save that money and get an ISIC card and save on the discounts. Where else have I used it? Oh, I have used it on booking.com. On booking.com, the best thing is you get a discount and you also get cash back. You get a discount and cash, double deal. So I have used it on booking.com. Where else? I have also seen, as an international student, I know going home is usually like super expensive. I really urge you to like check the flight deals, because I have seen Turkish Airline, Emirates, they're on the ISIC app. You can get like a discount. Utilize as an international student, utilize your privileges with this ISIC card. Where else? Oh, in coffee shops, you can always ask. The thing is, they will never like put it out there. You can get a discount with an ISIC card, but Always, 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 always ask. The worst thing they can say is no. And no, it's not like the end of the world. It's just a no. You don't, at the end of the day, you still don't get a discount. This I tried in Cologne, Germany. We visited the Lindt Chocolate Museum. I will insert the vlog here. You should definitely go and watch the vlog if you have not visited the chocolate museum and you want to see how it looks like. At the counter at the Lindt Museum, we asked, hi, can we use our ISIC card to like get a discount? And the woman was like, yeah. It did like paying us to use the ISIC card. I've also used the ISIC card when I traveled to Sweden. We visited the Museum of Illusions. I will upload that vlog. I will upload that vlog when I get my hard drive fixed. But for now, that is where I used it. Where else? I have also used it in Spain when I traveled to Salamanca. I have used it to like get a discount. Just ask. The thing is, just ask. And also check the ISIC app to see all the benefits and all the places that you can be able to use your ISIC card. And also, if you don't know this and you're in Lithuania as an international student, if you have an ISIC card and your service provider, you use Pildic. So on Pildic, it's like, I think 15 euros for the unlimited data and text and calls. But when you have the ISIC card, you get a discount, and the price of the mobile data for the whole month is 9.69 euros, I think, but just check. What you're going to do is like type on Google Pildic ISIC card or ISIC Pildic, whatever it is, and then you're just gonna see it pop up. It's not on the Pildic app or Pildic site, but it's your privilege to know this information that I am telling you. Save on your money. Save on your money. I am here. Brenda got you. Where else? Oh, if you want to go to the gym, use your ISIC card. Like basically use everything. And also the one thing that I want to utilize before my student privileges are over, is to buy a laptop. Like you can get deals on even Apple, HP, what else? Adobe. Oh yes, amazing. And if you also want to code, I'm telling you, this is the tea that somebody should have told me before my time as a student is running off. But utilize this. I also use this IC card on GitHub. If you don't know GitHub, search it right now, GitHub. It's no longer there, but once there was like a Canva Pro year membership for a whole year, as long as you had the ISIC card and you could register on GitHub. That was really advantageous for me as a content creator because I got to enjoy the Canva Pro membership for a whole year. Another thing that if you also want to start a website or a business and have a website, you can utilize the 1 year free domain that they give you on GitHub once you register with your ISIC card, which is really nice. It's really beneficial. On GitHub, you can also learn coding. You can have access to services to like Microsoft, so many. Right now, I don't have it all, but I will show you. Sometimes visualization will help so that you can be able to see the benefits that you can be able to get when you have an ISIC card as an international student. As a student, to my fellow other international students, utilize the years that you have as an international student. You can take a weekend trip. Don't always say like, it's too expensive. As a student, that is the time that you have to utilize all these student benefits that are out there. Because if you get a discount for your travels, for example, on Flixbus, if you get a discount, what is stopping you from going? If you book accommodation on booking.com, you get a discount and you get cashback. Your money is returned. to your account, not everything. Hey, nobody should like be misguided. Don't be misguided. Don't be misguided, but you can actually get cashback. So I really urge you to utilize the time that you have as an international student, not only just to study, to work, but also live a little, travel. I have travel vlogs on my channel. Make sure you check out. You can go to this same places that I have been to. You can get discounts to these places, and also talk to me nicely and I will guide you. Anyway, that was just it for this video. I hope as an international student you're going to take advantages of your ISIC card. Don't let it just be for transport. Don't tap on the transport and you are unaware of the other benefits that you can take as a student. And this was it for this video. Until next time, bye. Wait, make sure you're subscribed, like this, and tell me all the benefits that you have had once you had the ISIC card, where you have traveled to. I'm also looking for inspiration. I'm also looking for how to utilize this ISIC card because my student privileges are coming to an end. Anyway, ciao.